Hey guys, Cobb here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a player health bar in Unity. Okay, so before we get started, I just want to talk about a few changes I made in the script from the last video. So I just made a new function, an update function, and then it calls the onClick function when every frame, and then if you are the same distance away as it was before, and you're pressing the mouse 0 button, which is just the left click button, it will set it to false. So that's like punching. You can make a punching animation and a health bar for the enemy, so when you go up and you get close enough and you left click, it's like you punch them and then they disappear. So yeah, this video is about a player health bar. Okay, the first thing you want to do is create another 3D object, a cube, and then so you want to call this cube health, and then you can parent it, or you can make the player the health or the parent, and then you just drag it here, and you can make it the scale, so maybe 0.25, something like that. That looks pretty good. And then you can make it twice as long, so then every time the player gets damaged, it will remove a little bit from it. So actually, let's just make it 1, or maybe, yeah, 2 will be good. So then it'll remove a little bit every single time until it gets small enough to where it will basically go away, and then at that point the player will have to restart. So yeah, what you want to do first is go into player stats and then make a public game object and call it health bar. And then now you can go into here, save that, go into Unity, and then you want to assign it. So once it's done saving and everything, and then you can assign the health to here, health bar. So actually, I'm just going to call this health bar, because health, it's not really the health, it's the health bar. So yeah. Okay, so we just need to make 2 more variables. So make a public vector3 and call it temp, or whatever you want to call it, and a public float and call that whatever you want. And then you can come down here and you'll see I made temp equals healthbar.transform.localScale, and then temp.x minus lose health, and then you want healthbar.transform.localScale equals temp. So what we're saying here is we are making temp the same as this, and then we set temp to minus lose health, and then health bar to temp, so that way so if we come back into Unity, we can go into the player, and then player stats, and then you can assign the health bar and lose health. So since our health is set at 100 and we lose 10 each time we get hit, we want to set this to 0.2 because this is 2 instead of 1, as you can see there. So we want it to be whatever can get to 2 10 times, and then you don't have set that to anything. And now when you press play, you should see the health just floats around. So actually, I'll really quick just make a new material. So material, and this will be health bar material. Health bar material. There, okay. And I think I'll make it orange. I don't know why I think orange would be good. And it's a little dark, so I'll make it lighter until it looks like a good orange. Not yellow. Colors are kind of messed up with this part. Let me see. Okay, maybe yeah, okay, I think that's the best it's gonna get. So now when we press play, we can go over here and it just floats around the player, and then once you get hit, you might have saw it got slightly smaller, because if we go into health bar, you can see it is now 1.8 instead of 2, and then once you get hit, 1.6, and it just keeps getting smaller and smaller, and then once it reaches here, then it gets reset. So you can also delay the reset so that we can see a little better. But so that's gonna be it for this video. If you enjoyed, you can leave a like, you can subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.